Carbon dating and the fossil record. Radiometric dating was the culminating factor that led to the belief in billions of years for Earth history. But did you know that the results from some radiometric dating methods completely undermine those from other radiometric methods? For example, one example is carbon-14 dating. As long as an organism is alive, it takes in carbon-14. However, when it dies, the carbon intake stops. Since carbon-14 is radioactive, decays into nitrogen, the amount present in a dead organism decreases over time. The amount of carbon-14 remaining can be used to date samples which were once alive, such as wood or bone. Carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years, 5,730 years. So any carbon-14 in organic material supposedly 100,000 years old should all have decayed into nitrogen. Some things, such as wood trapped in lava flows, said to be millions of years old by other radiometric dating methods, still contain carbon-14. If the items were really millions of years old, then they should not have any traces of carbon-14 left. Coal and diamonds, which are found in or sandwiched between rock layers, allegedly millions or billions of years old, have been shown to show carbon-14 ages of only tens of thousands of years. So which date, if any, is correct? The diamonds or coal cannot be millions of years old if they have any traces of carbon-14 still in them. The carbon-14 results show that these dating methods are completely unreliable and that the assumptions they are based on are erroneous. Answers in Genesis. Shells from living snails were carbon dated as being 27,000 years old. Science Magazine, Volume 224, 1984, emphasis added. Shells from living snails. Living is emphasized. Ronald R. West, PhD, said, contrary to what most scientists write, the fossil record does not support the Darwinian theory of evolution because it is this theory, there are several, which we use to interpret the fossil record. By doing so, we are guilty of circular reasoning if we then say the fossil record supports this theory.